Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're doing a bit of a comparison contrast of the Thailand Elite Visa with the LTR. For those who are unaware, LTR stands for Long-Term Resident Visa. It's kind of a misnomer. It does not confer lawful permanent residence in Thailand. It confers basically long non-immigrant status in Thailand. And there's a lot of talk about this because they're rolling it out. It's coming in September of 2022. And a lot of people have kind of been asking me about it, wanting to get my take on it. I've been kind of researching it. And I got to thinking of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail. That's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Thailand's 10-year visas will be launched September 1. Quoting directly, the income and investment requirements differ according to the application category, but umpteen thousands of high value, and then in parentheses, rich, foreigners are being sought to boost the Thai economy. If you think 1 million baht is a fortune, this visa isn't for you. The authorities are thinking more in terms of 1 million US dollars. The cheapest category is for retirees over 50, and your annual income must be at least 80,000 baht monthly or less with additional cash or bond in investments in Thailand. But whether seniors will want to bother with the bureaucracy and readily ditch simpler alternatives, such as the annual O extension of stay or the elite, remains to be seen. So getting into the elite there, and that's good observations. I urge those who are watching this video, check out that article in the Pattaya Mail. But yeah, it is kind of a good question. I mean, one of the big issues I've had people asking me about the long-term residence visa is, hey, Thailand Elite doesn't put this insurance requirement on me, whereas the LTR visa does, and that's a fair point. Now, at the same time, the LTR does not require someone to actually buy in to the Thailand Elite membership program. So when to say that you're buying the Thai Elite visa is not strictly speaking correct. You're buying a membership in the Thailand Elite system, into the club, if you will. And then part of it, one of the perks is the actual visa, depending on how long depending on the category of your membership, it will determine the type of elite visa that you end up getting. But essentially, yeah, it's paid for. The money that goes in to get the elite visa, it's gone. It's paid. It's just spent money, if you will. Now, it may be possible to transfer the Thailand elite visa if you want to, for the unused portion, depending on circumstances. It may be possible to transfer one's membership. It's a very good idea if you're thinking about doing that, or if that's a big reason why you would want the elite. It's probably a good idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into elite, because different categories have different rules, and some categories do not allow transfer. So that's something to bear in mind. But back to sort of the reason for the video, there's pros and cons to both this, newly being created LTR visa as well as the old Thailand Elite visa. And it's just going to depend on the circumstances of the given individual as to whether or not Thailand Elite or the LTR status is a better fit for them.